Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel order on StockX. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up StockX and then log into your account. So you need to log into your account. So when you get to StockX website, log into your account. So once I've already logged in here, so I've logged into mine, click on your account. So that's on your top right here, click on your profile option. So when you get to your profile option here, on your top on your left side menu here, click on buying. It's under the profile. Click on buying, and then when you get to buying, click on current tab here. So when you click on the current tab, it should list all the items that you have bought, I mean currently under process, that you have purchased. So what you have to do is simply just select the item that you want to cancel. See, since I don't have any items that I've purchased currently, so there's nothing here, nothing showing up, but you will see your item that you have purchased. So under current, select the item and click on cancel item. So once you click on cancel item, just all you have to do is just confirm the details, and that's it. Your order will be canceled. So it's pretty easy and a straightforward process. I hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.